ClickFunnels or System, EO, two giants in online funnels, but only one can be your launchpad to success, which actually delivers when it matters most. On the left, ClickFunnels, the heavyweight champion known for its power and integrations. And on the right, System, EO, the fast-rising challenger promising simplicity and value. Forget the flashy marketing hype, let's dive into the features and real-world results. Every category earns points and you'll get a clear winner at the end. And trust me, the outcome just might surprise you. So here's how we're breaking it all down today. We're gonna walk through price and plans, then features, ease of use, integrations, course and webinar tools, and finally support and community. I'll hit all the quirks and the good stuff as we move through each category. Ready? Let's kick this off. First up, money talk, price and plans. ClickFunnels, oof, this is where it stings a little. The starting price is $100 a month, give or take, so your wallet isn't going to thank you. They do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee and you can test drive the startup plan, which is cool, but let's be real, it's still way pricier than pretty much everyone else out there. Now, System, EO. Huge sigh of relief for anyone on a tight budget. There's a forever free plan, yup, you heard that right, and if you want to go premium, it starts at just $27 a month. That's like a third of the price. You don't get refunds though, which is kinda meh if you change your mind, but in terms of pure value, System, EO absolutely takes the cake on pricing. Winner here is System, EO, hands down. Let's get nerdy with features. ClickFunnels, this is their playground. Automation? Check. Built-in CRM? Yup. Host webinars, build memberships, nitty-gritty analytics, you want all the bells and whistles, it's here for you. Only thing, it can get a little overwhelming, honestly. And if you're only selling a couple of ebooks, might feel like bringing a bazooka to a water balloon fight. Now flip to System, EO. You get email marketing, blogging, course building, some automation. It covers most basics and it's honestly more than good enough for simple funnels. But yeah, you won't get as many funnel types or deep automation, and CRM is, well, not really a thing here. If you want all the pro features, ClickFunnels is still king. Winner, ClickFunnels. Ease of use, this one's always a make or break. ClickFunnels, gotta give it props for the drag and drop builder, but wow, there's a lot going on. If it's your very first time, you might find yourself staring at the screen and going, okay, where do I even start? Meanwhile, System, EO just gets to the point. Clean dashboard, templates that actually make sense for beginners, and honestly, you can probably set up your first funnel before you finish your coffee. Some of the features aren't super deep, but for getting off the ground, System, EO is a breath of fresh air. So no surprise, System, EO wins on ease of use. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. ClickFunnels, over 100,000 active users, but System, EO, they cracked 500,000 entrepreneurs using it by 2025. That's a ton of folks building online businesses. Time for integrations? ClickFunnels loves to play with the big kids. There's advanced CRM integrations, tons of payment gateways, stuff for webinars, affiliates, analytics, and it's open enough for API stuff if you want to geek out. But it can get a bit overwhelming, not gonna lie. System, EO, on the other hand, focuses on the essentials. Stripe, PayPal, basic email, and if you really want to connect something fancy, there's a Zapier option. It's more limited though, especially compared to ClickFunnels. This round, I mean, it's gotta be ClickFunnels for integrations. Now let's talk about course and webinar tools. ClickFunnels brings some serious power for webinar hosting, live, evergreen, the whole deal. Their membership area is super customizable too. Just, don't expect the most advanced quiz options for your courses. Meanwhile, System, EO is pretty awesome for basic course management, drip content, LMS included, student analytics, no extra cost. But you won't get native webinar hosting, which is sort of a bummer if you're into live events. If you need everything under one roof, including webinars, ClickFunnels is your go-to. So winner, that goes to ClickFunnels. Last up, support and community. ClickFunnels, you get live chat, priority email if you're on the fancy plans, and wow, their official Facebook group is massive. Plus, those funnel hacking events, kinda legendary in this space. But yeah, the lightning-fast support is really reserved for bigger spenders. System, EO counters with email support and a solid but smaller community that's growing fast, plus a big all-resource library for DIY help. They don't have live support yet, and let's just say you'll need a little patience if you're a free user. But for sheer support options, ClickFunnels edges this out. If you look at all these categories side by side, it's actually pretty clear what each tool is gunning for. System, EO crushes it for price and getting started. ClickFunnels is absolutely stacked on features, integrations, and support. Honestly, it boils down to what you need more, firepower or simplicity. So, my final take, if you're all about scaling fast and you want features that handle just about everything, including webinars, deep automation, and crazy integrations, ClickFunnels is the heavy hitter to go with. But if you're working solo or with a tiny team and what you really want is something straightforward that won't torch your budget, System, EO is kind of a no-brainer. Pick based on your needs, don't overcomplicate it. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.